Okay.
Whoa, this lid is one of the heaviest I've seen. This one's newer. Here one's old.
Oh look, 2004, June 26, 2004. Check it out.
Made in Mexico by American Standard.
Oh wow.
Nothing wrong with this lid.
Okay.
Huh. Look.
Okay,
Strange.
it goes down.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
It can't go down enough, it seems.
Try a little bit more. Okay, go. Push
Cool.
more.
I'd like you to put the tank back.
I'm not going to, it's too heavy.
I'll put it back
Let's
on.
do this part first.
Cool. Doesn't go down. Very strange toilet.
2004.
I don't even think this is made out of a tank lever.
It's not, it is what it made it. So.
Your toilet's an old toilet.
Okay.
I think this is, I don't know what model this is.
Alright, I'll hold your flip while you put the tank back up, okay?
No, I can put it in, oh, you can.
Yeah, sure.
Usually I just put it in my, actually, can you film some stuff in the tank?
Sure.